Imagine sitting alone in your room, feeling completely safe. The door is locked, the lights are on, everything seems normal. But then you notice something strange. A tiny blinking light hidden in a place you never expected. You move closer and suddenly you realize you might be watched. What should you do? Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. The first thing you need to do is stay calm. Your heart will start racing, your mind will fill with fear and questions, but panic will only make things worse. Instead, slow down. Think clearly. Focus on what you see. Look carefully around you. Not everything that looks suspicious is actually a camera. Sometimes it could be a reflection or a small electronic device. But if something feels off, trust your instincts. Move slowly. Observe the object from a distance. Hidden cameras are usually very small. They often have a tiny lens. Sometimes they include a small blinking light. They can be hidden inside normal objects like a clock, a smoke detector, a wall outlet, or even a charger. If the object looks out of place or positioned in a strange angle, you need to be careful. Now listen carefully. Do not touch the device immediately. This is very important. If the camera is connected to someone, touching it might alert them. They could be watching in real time. So instead of reacting fast, you need to act smart. Take out your phone slowly. Use it to record what you see. Take clear pictures. Record a video. This can become very important evidence later. Now, try this. Turn off the lights in the room. Then, turn on your phone's flashlight. Slowly move the light across the room. Camera lenses often reflect light. If there is a hidden lens, you might see a small reflection. This simple trick can help you find more devices. But do not spend too much time. If you feel unsafe, you need to leave immediately. Your safety is more important than anything else. Walk out of the room calmly. Do not run, do not panic. Just leave. Go somewhere safe, a public place, or anywhere with other people. Once you are safe, you need to report what happened. Hidden cameras are illegal in most situations. This is a serious violation of privacy. Contact the authorities. Show them the evidence you recorded. Let them handle the situation. Now here's something important. If you found one camera, there's a chance there could be more. Hidden cameras are sometimes placed in multiple locations, so always stay alert. Check your surroundings carefully. Look in corners. Look near electronics. Look at anything that seems unusual. Now, let's understand something. Hidden cameras today are more advanced than ever. Some are connected to Wi-Fi. Some can stream live video to someone far away. Others store recordings internally. This is why you must take this situation seriously. Never ignore your instincts. If something feels wrong, there is a reason. Now, let's talk about prevention. Always check your room when you enter a new place, especially in hotels or rented apartments. Look for anything unusual. Check objects that face the bed or private areas. You can also cover small holes or suspicious spots if needed. Being careful is always better than taking risks. Remember this, your privacy is important, and you have the right to feel safe wherever you are. Situations like this can be scary, but staying calm, thinking clearly, and acting smart can make all the difference. So, if you ever find yourself in this situation, stay calm, observe carefully, do not touch anything immediately, use your phone, leave if necessary, and report it. Because sometimes being aware is what keeps you safe.